everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting workflow in the Delaverse Playground, the SEO Clustered Content Generation AI Squad. If you're looking to boost your website's SEO game with smart clustered content strategies, this is your new best friend. This powerful AI squad automates the entire process of analyzing search trends, building content clusters, and publishing optimized articles complete with visuals. It's a game changer for content creators and marketers, saving you tons of time while ensuring your content ranks higher and drives more traffic to your site. Getting started is a breeze. Log into your Delaverse Playground account, create a new project called AI-based SEO Clustered Content Generator, and import the ready-to-use JSON workflow file. It'll set up all the nodes and connections automatically. No coding required. Let's break down the key parts of this workflow. First, connect your data sources. Link up Google Sheets for your SERP, search engine results page, reports, and content clusters to keep everything organized and easy to update. Don't forget a Google Docs file for your brand's tone and guidelines. This ensures all your content stays on brand and consistent. Next, the SEO Analyzer node kicks things off by diving into your target keywords. Just input your keywords, pick your country and language, and let it gather valuable search insights. Then, meet the SERP Analyst AI Assistant. This smart node processes the SEO data and shares updates via Telegram, so you're always in the loop without lifting a finger. The Content Cluster Architect follows, crafting a solid architecture for your content clusters based on the SERP reports. It'll update your Google Sheets and ping you on Telegram when it's ready. Finally, the SEO Content Publisher AI Assistant generates polished SEO-optimized articles using the cluster data and your brand guidelines. It even creates eye-catching images and publishes directly to your WordPress site with notifications straight to Telegram. To make it all hands-off, add trigger nodes for each stage. Set them to run on a schedule, like weekly keyword checks or monthly content drops. While this workflow focuses more on creation than raw analytics, you can track progress through your Google Sheets updates and Telegram alerts. Monitor how your new content performs on your site to see real improvements in search rankings and traffic over time. The real payoff? Higher SEO rankings mean more organic traffic, which translates to better engagement, leads, and growth for your business. Plus, automating this saves hours of manual work, letting you focus on what you love while the AI handles the heavy lifting. For pro users, tweak the AI instructions in each assistant node to match your specific niche. Experiment with more keywords or integrate social media nodes for even wider distribution. Head to your project settings to fine-tune triggers for optimal timing. With the SEO Clustered Content Generation AI Squad, you're empowering your content strategy like never before. Watch your site climb the search results, engage your audience effortlessly, and scale your online presence with Delaverse's magic. Ready to level up? Jump in and start generating today.